I almost lost my mind. I almost lost my job. I almost lost my faith. I almost lost everything. But if you're here tonight, you're a living testimony that I'm more than a conqueror through him that loved me. Anybody tonight is more than a conqueror. Anybody tonight is an overcomer. Throw your arms around your neighbor and say, neighbor, you're more than a conqueror. And I'm closing. What is the Hurricane Irene effect? Can we be honest for a moment? Look at your neighbor and say, grab your neighbor and say, neighbor, do you want to know what the Hurricane Irene effect is?
Do you want to know what the Hurricane Irene?
If we want to be honest, for New York City, we've seen worse storms than Irene.
All right.
What the media hyped it up to be, it wasn't what it really was. Am I saying the truth? I don't know about nobody else, but I went to church on that Sunday. Then after that, we had a delicious dinner. Me and Brother Alvin went to Popeyes. We got a 24-piece with a biscuit on the side. And we walked to the store. The only problem was it was just a little windy, but I felt windier days. It was drizzling outside. Y'all not getting it yet. It was drizzling outside, but I've been in worse storms.
Right.
Do you understand what I'm trying to tell you now? It was a little dark outside, but I've seen darker days. So what am I saying? Some of us are in a situation right now, but we've been through worse. We've seen worse days. And whatever you did to hold on through that dark time, if you hold on to that same Jesus,